population across the LA Archdiocese, where nearly 3 out of every 4 parishioners is Latino.
What he did for immigrant communities.
Okay, snow just started 15 minutes ago. We got pretty well covering everything quickly. I'll read the thermometer after we're a little out of the garage. This is supposed to be a start of a 24-inch event, so I thought I'd grab the before shot. We'll do before for just a couple of minutes, and we'll do the after shot 30 or 36 hours from now on the way home from work. Weather station has decided to call this one Blizzard Nemo or something like that. Too bad they chose such a nice little fish to name such a nasty storm. Snow actually started out with heavier flakes than this a few minutes ago, 15 or so minutes ago. Now it's more light, but still horizontal. Breeze is probably 10 miles an hour. They say we're going to have steady winds 25-35 later on this afternoon, and gust 65 to 75 miles per hour. So we can see the road, you can see the grass. Not tonight, or not tomorrow. We'll get out on US 1, then I'm turning the camera off.
Bay today, a storm warning in effect from 1 o'clock this afternoon through Saturday evening. Winds will blow easterly 15 to 20 knots, increasing this afternoon, and waves 2 to 3 feet today, except 4 to 7 feet at the bay entrance. Again, there's a blizzard warning for southern New England today. Highs will be in the low 30s, and it'll become windy as the day goes on. The worst of the snow is expected this this evening and overnight, especially along the I-95 corridor, according to forecasters. They say anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of snow is possible.
1 to 3 inches.
Support for Rhode Island Public Radio comes from you, our listeners, and from University Medicine, Rhode Island's largest academic multi-specialty medical practice group, where patients are the priority. Information at umfmed.org. And from Barrington Books, located in Barrington Shopping Center, proudly celebrating its 25th year, offering a wide selection of books, story hours, toys, and gifts. BarringtonBooks.com.
So the 1 to 3 inches she just mentioned would be the first few hours of today. This evening, the forecast already says 10 to 15, and then overnight, they haven't said, on the forecast at least, how much will fall between midnight and 6 a.m. tomorrow. But long story short, at least inland areas, it's supposed to be 24 inches total, far greater than that in spotty areas between Providence and Boston. So, we'll sign off. I love the remote control that comes with the Hero 3. It looks just like an iPhone.